Assalamu alaikum. In this video lecture, we will be discussing some words of vocabulary. So let's start. Our first word for today is shuffled. Shuffled basically means to walk or move with a dragging or a shuffling gait, or to rearrange or mix up in a haphazard manner. Examples includes he shuffled his feet along the round as he walked. Synonyms includes drag, drug, plod, plumbed, and stumble, and antonyms includes glide, march, start, saunter, praance, and tiptoe. Sail basically refers to the traveling on water in a vessel, typically with the help of wind power. तो sail जो होता है ना वो basically use होता है जो जब कोई बोट वगैरह जा रही होती है ना पानी के ऊपर से, जैसा आपको इस छोटी सी पिक्चर में भी नजर आ रहा है, तो उसके लिए हम sail का वर्ड यूज करते हैं. Example includes the ship sailed smoothly across the ocean. Synonyms for the sail includes cruised, navigated, voyaged, guided, drifted, and floated. And antonyms includes anchored, moored, docked, beached, stranded, and marooned. Stunt is a dangerous or difficult action that is performed for the entertainment or as a part of performance. Example includes the Tom Cruise performed a dangerous stunt on the set of the latest Mission Impossible movie. तो कोई करतब दिखाने को, खतरनाक करतब के लिए हम stunt का word use करते हैं. Synonyms includes feat, trick, exploit, maneuver, performance, and spectacle. And antonyms includes safety, caution, prudence, care, sobriety, and seriousness. Sauntered. Sauntered basically means to walk in slow, relaxed manner, often in a way that show confidence or leisure. बिल्कुल चहलकदमी करने को सुकून से sauntered कहते हैं. Synonyms example include after finishing his exams, Jack sauntered through the park, enjoying the warm sunshine. Synonyms include stroll, amble, wander, roam, mosey, meander. Antonyms includes hurry, rush, jog, sprint, march, and speed. Next is splendor. Splendor basically means the quality of being magnificent, impressive, or brilliant, especially in appearance or display. Example includes the wedding reception was decorated with splendor and extravagance. Synonyms includes magnificence, grandeur, brilliance, glory, radiance, resplendence. And antonyms include ugliness, dullness, plainness, simplicity, modesty, and ordinariness. Next is sagged. Sagged basically means to drop, to droop, sink, or bend downwards, usually due to the weight or lack of support. Example includes the old couch had sagged in the middle for years of use. ठीक है, तो जरा लटकने की सेंस में होता है sag. Synonyms basically includes droop, slump, hang, sink, bend, and bow. And antonyms include straighten, rise, elevate, stiffen, tense, and support. Next is speckled, means covered with small spots or marks. Example, the bird's wings were speckled with the black and white spots. Synonyms basically includes dappled, spotted, flagged, stippled, mottled, specked. And antonyms includes unmarked, clear, plain, solid, monochromatic, and homogeneous. This is all for today. Thank you so much.